welcome back to my channel. Today I just felt in the mood for some makeup, so we are just gonna play around with some colors. I feel like something bright, and we'll see where it leads us. So I've already done my base. I thought I'd just do my face and then just focus on the eyes. This normally takes so long. And I did do a foundation and skincare routine, so I'll have the link down below for that because it's already on the channel, or you can just check the sidebar or the end of the video to see the link there. So let's just start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyeshadow. This is MAC Cork, and I'm just going to put that in my crease just for a transition shade for anything else we're going to put in. This is very universal, so I'll just start with that. Is around the corner, so the 17th of March is St. Patrick's Day, and I wanted to do something green, so I thought why not use that as inspiration, do something green and gold, a bit more editorial. So I'll use St. Patrick's Day as the inspiration to do an editorial video. So the palette we're using is the Beauty Treats Heart Love eyeshadow palette, and there's a nice variety of greens and browns, and then I'll just use like a loose glitter to do the gold with. So I'm just gonna start with this middle green shade and work that in the crease and just go for it. Using is from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is a forest green shade, the only one I could find, and it's called Enchanted. I'm just going to take that on a pencil brush and focus it on the outer corner. I'm also gonna take this creamy gold shade in this palette and just pop that on my lid, and then going in with that gold shade, the powder gold shade, over top just to create a more vibrant gold. And then just going back with that pencil brush and neatening up the green. Okay, so next up are lashes, and the lashes I'm using is from Eyelash Boutique, and it'll be these super fluffy ones. I'm just gonna cut off about that much and then stick them on my eyes. And then for mascara, I'm using the Essence Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara. And then we're almost done. Okay, lashes are on. They are super dramatic. I'm still getting a bit used to them being this fluttery. So I'm just waiting for them to dry, and then we need to put on lips. I think I'm gonna keep the lips quite neutral. So I think I'm gonna go for the Essence lip liner in the nude. It's very much my lip color, and then I'll see if I want to top it off with something. This is then the finished look. I really enjoyed creating this. I've never done this green and goldish smoky eye, if you will. The lashes are a bit much for me. I can hardly see out of my eyes, but it looks amazing. So yeah, thank you so much for playing around with me. All my socials are down in the description box. Please subscribe if you aren't already. I'd really appreciate that. And then also go follow me on Instagram. I post daily there, so that's my main social platform these days. And then subscribe to my combined channel with my cousin Angelica, as well as YUVIANCA's own channel. She does a lot of things on there as well. I'll list everything down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.